Updating your corporate address on Instagram Shopping is essential for maintaining accurate business information. Follow these steps to ensure your address is correctly updated. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your business account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Edit business information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Update address. Enter your new corporate address in the designated field. Make sure to double check the accuracy of the information before saving the changes. After completing these steps, your corporate address on Instagram Shopping will be updated. Regularly check your business information to ensure it remains current.